Hello, I am Dr. Akhilendra Singh, consultant hair transplant surgeon at AKS Clinics. I am MD from PGI Chandigarh and member of Association of Hair Restoration Surgeon of India. Hair transplant is a safe and permanent solution for baldness. Today I will discuss about technique of hair transplant. Broadly, there are two techniques only. One is the older technique, which is known as strip technique, and second technique is follicular unit extraction or FUE. This is the newer and far better technique than the older strip technique. So first I will talk about FUT or the strip technique. In strip technique, we need to take a strip from the back of the head. Here we need to cut the skin along the hairs. Strip length is approx 20 to 30 centimeter and width is 1 to 1.5 centimeter. And then we need to put suture and suture removed after 1 week. Now as we can understand, the problem with older or the strip technique was that we can take graft only from the back of the head, that is the scalp. We cannot take graft, we cannot utilize graft from the body like the beard or chest. So we cannot correct the big bald area in one go. Second problem with the strip technique, that it is more invasive because there is cut, there is suture, so there is chance of bleeding during surgery, there is a chance of little more discomfort, pain after surgery, which takes more times to heal. And the third problem with the strip technique, that it will definitely leave a permanent linear scar over the back of the head. Now the second technique of hair transplant is follicular unit extraction. Here we extract graft one by one from back of the head. We can also extract from beard and the body area with specialized instruments. In this technique, there is no cut, there is no suture. So practically it is painless, scarless and sutureless technique. Since the inception of the FUE, we are doing a lot of improvement in the technique, and the latest version is direct hair transplant or direct hair implant, what we know as DST. In this technique, hairs are taken and implanted side by side, so that practically there is no time where hair grafts are out of body, and it increases the survival by many folds. So bottom line is, in the modern FUE or DST technique, we can take more number of graft in one go, so we can cover a big bald area in one session. Second, it is very comfortable for patient. Healing time is just 24 hours or less than that, so he can resume duty from the very next day. And third, in DST technique, we are reducing out of body time, we are increasing the result, better result, faster result without any downtime. So there is no drawback of FUE or DST technique. The only thing, it is more time consuming and it is more tedious and need more experience to operate. If you have further query, you can contact me on Librate.